Hey guys, what's going on? Cody from Matt Vapes Easily here, and I got a new video for you today on a new device that we just got in. So this is a new smock product. It is the Stick Prince, the Prince Stick. I guess you could say it either way. The Stick Prince is what they call it though. Oh, that's disappointing. There's a battery going here. Okay. What in the world? Okay, so this is my complaint about these stick kits. The light behind the button is not bright at all, and it's really hard to see if it's on or off. Okay. I would say that if anything they're going to change, please let it be the light behind the button, and now it won't turn off. Okay, there we go. So it is 5 clicks to turn it off, 5 clicks to turn it on. We have this this purple kit in, and then they also have it's like a bluish kit, but we didn't get that one because they were out of stock already, so we'll probably have some of those next week. I thought this piece on the bottom here was like a winder or something, maybe to turn up the wattage, but it turns out it is not. Really, this is a very straightforward kit. It's just got the TFV12 on it. I would assume the battery's a little bit stronger. Let's see. The back of the box says, Stick Prince, a powerful combination of 3,000 mAh battery and TFV12 Prince tank, is born to be a legend. It is newly designed with a special hexagon power button and a carefully carved battery base. You can feel how exquisite it is. Stick Prince's large battery capacity is the best guarantee for long-time vape life. An LED indicator on its body can tell you the specific conditions of itself. The TFV12 Prince tank has 8 mil capacity and hyper engines, patented locking mechanism. Alright. So this thing basically comes with the stick, the Prince, and 2 coils. You get a M4 0.17 quadruple coil, and then another one. You get 2. That's the only coil they have for this thing currently. In the box, when you open it up, you'll see you get your device there, your tank, and then your coil. Your coil's already in your tank. Or the other one is. And then down in the bottom you get your literature, your O-rings, and your charge cord. So it just uses the micro USB like every other one. It's got that 3,000 mAh battery in it, so that's a pretty good battery life, even for the Prince tank, because I would say that the Prince tank definitely isn't a battery saver by any means with the coils on it and stuff. But this M4 coil would probably do the trick. I'm not going to go too much into detail on the Prince tank. We have a video on our channel about that. So if you wanted to learn anything about that, just watch that. But basically, it's a TFV12 Prince that they put an 8 mil expansion bubble glass on it. They've got the locking mechanism on the top up here now, where you can't just open this. You've got to press this little button right here, and then that'll unlock it so that you can fill it up, which I think is ingenious. I think that was a good thing to do, because a lot of people were complaining about, the thing opening in their pockets and stuff like that, so that definitely prevents that. And then you also get that beautiful snakeskin resin drip tip. But that's really what I've got for you on this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to get back to you, alright? Peace.